In this video, we will see how to refine the materials to be ordered to specific customer or multiple customers. We will click on Orders, hover over Order Requirements, and click on View Requirements. We see now that the customers selected are all customers. If we scroll down, we see, for example, this requirement here to order is for customer demo shop and customer sample customer. So if I click on customer selected and select demo shop only and then press the refine button, we'll see now that the material requirements shown are only for demo shop. These are user specific, so right now, I'm logged in as demo admin. And until I change what customers are selected, it will continue to be just what has been selected. At any time, I can go back and see all customers by selecting all customers and refine. We can also select multiple customers by holding down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a Windows computer. So here we will select Demo Shop, hold down the Command or Control key, and we'll select Sample Customers. So you can see we have both selected. We'll now click on Refine. We see that the customer selected is Demo Shop and Sample Customer, and we can see that the material requirements listed are for those two customers only. So this is how to refine the material requirements by customer within FloorVisio.